using AI in your day-to-day life. And this is how you can use AI in your general day-to-day use cases, whether you are doing a job or whether you are in your day-to-day business or anything. This is one of the example how you can use AI to pass all your Jira tickets and get a quick, nice summary without spending any cost on API or any generative AI APIs. So if I look back to the current screen, if you see, this is how it gives very quick, good summary of this Jira Scrum board which I was showing you. So what are the tasks that are in progress, which task is kind of block or which task is blocked by which task. It gives nice summary and everything I'm just running on directly the local model by running this model locally on this Google Colab T4 machine. So I just installed some of the libraries. I just installed the required packages. These are the various models which I'm just playing around. If you want to play around, try Llama, and I think try Llama this and this DeepSeek this model as well. And I think the specific one where it works very well with Llama and Mistral. So just load the model, load the token. I mean, it will take some more time, but for this video to quickly summarize, what I'm simply doing is that I'm just using the Python Jira module to connect to my Jira personal tenant and then getting all the tickets. This is what I'm doing, right? And for every issues, I'm just simply creating a metadata or the list structure where the list structure is having the single issue. And single issue, what I mean by this, for example, this is one single issue. So I'm creating this single dictionary item, adding it to the list. So my list is nothing but it is a list of all these items or all these issues along with their comments as well. This is very important because this is how the LLM is going to analyze. And then what I'm going to do is what I'm simply doing is that I'm just passing this task list to this prompt, right? So this is where we are downloading the model on local machine. So if you can see over here, this is where we are creating the tokenizer to create the user prompt or system prompt in model language, right? So these are the system prompt and user prompt, where in user prompt we are passing those Jira tasks which we created. And then ultimately we are simply passing, so ultimately we are converting the user prompt and system prompt, which is embedded in this typical generic messages structure, which is required whenever you call any open AI or any APIs, any LLM APIs. And then ultimately you do the tokenizing of all this prompt to the token IDs, which is understandable for LLM API. So this is what you do over here. And finally, you call the apply chat template method so that this message is structure, right? This list structure is getting converted to the LLM friendly structure. And then ultimately I'm just adding text streamer because I want to like stream output, not like waiting for the ages. And then this is the line where you can see over here. This is where we actually download the model on this T4 machine, which is running on my Google Colab. It's free of cost. It gives free for some hours. So that's what I'm using. And then finally, once model is loaded, I'm just calling the model.generate method, which will give the output. Here you might be seeing error because I think I just need to restart the model. Otherwise, for you, the same code should work. The same code is available on the link in this video description. So just check out and then run it. I'm not running in this prompt because it will take some more time. It will take quite a lot of time. So I don't want to pause the video and get it. But this is how you will get a very good summary. This is like giving you like today's stand-up report. What was done yesterday? What is planned for today? And what are the blockers? It gives nicely summary. And you can certainly integrate with various tools as well. So let me know if there is anything you require. But this is how you can run it on your model.